Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see counterexamples for topologies. Yesterday I have given different examples for topologies are defined on a set. Today I am going to give you counterexamples. The sets which do not become topology on the set. Yesterday we have formed a subcollection of X which satisfy the three conditions, and so that it becomes topology on the set. Today I am going to take subcollection which do not become a topology on the set. That is how I am going to teach now. See this example. X ABC, as usual. Yesterday I have taken ABC, and today the collection X, phi, A, B. See this contains X, phi. First condition is satisfied, but whereas the union of these two sets A union B is equal to A, B. This resultant set does not in tow. The resultant set does not in tow. Therefore, it does not form a topology. Therefore, tow is not a topology. Similarly, again I have taken another topology X, phi, A, B, B, C. X, phi, A, B, B, C. Four sets are there. X, phi is there. Therefore, first condition is satisfied. Though the first condition is satisfied, I have formed A, B intersection B, C. What will come? A, B intersection common point B. Therefore, intersection is B. But this singleton set B does not in tow dash. Therefore, the resultant set of these two sets, intersection of these two sets, is equal to B, which does not in the topology. Therefore, the topology. This does not fall on tow dash. We cannot say this is a topology. Tow dash, the subcollection, does not become a topology on X. So, you can see the difference between a set, how it forms a topology, and how it does not form a topology. Now you can understand. Simple examples, you yourself can calculate to prove it or to disprove it, anything. So, this is X arbitrary set ABC. I have formed a collection tow X, phi, AB, singleton AB. And we see that though the first condition is satisfied, second condition is not satisfied. Just you have taken two elements, therefore you form the union, but the resultant set does not in that collection. Therefore, this collection fails to become a topology. Similarly, this collection X, phi, AB, BC. Here, first condition is also satisfied, but intersection of these two sets equal to B, which does not belong to tow dash. Therefore, this collection also fails to become a topology. So fantastic. Are you able to understand? Okay. See, I will send you the notes also. Written notes I will send you. You can take down the notes. Now itself you can take down the notes. Okay. Okay. So we have up to this we have defined topology. We have defined topological space, and we have given examples for different topologies defined on a set, and we have defined counterexamples. The sets collection which do not form the topology on the set, we have seen up to this. Now I am going to introduce very important concept, as already told you in the introduction. Open sets, everything based on open set. I said during the introduction. Now I am going to define open set. What are open? Very, very important, sir. You should not forget this. Okay. What are open set? How open sets? In real analysis, we are defining open sets in a different way. For every point, there exists a neighborhood, open neighborhood fully, which is only contained in that set. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம define பண்ணுவோம் neighborhood வழியா. But இங்க open sets அப்படின்னா என்ன? Very very important. You should forget that definition. Now you come to this definition. Open sets in the topological sense, very important. The elements of the topology form ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அதுக்குள்ள elements are all called open sets. So arbitrary set எடுத்துட்டோம், ஒரு கலெக்ஷன் போட்டோம், topological conditions பார்த்தோம், topology மாறிடுது. Therefore that X becomes a topological space. Now the sets you have taken in the topology are called open sets. That is defined as open sets. Open sets na enna? The sets which belong to tau are called open sets. Understand? Good. Yesterday I told you what is the connection between these topologies. Here it is. Finer or coarser topology, or stronger or weaker, you can say. Suppose that tau and tau dash are two topologies on a set. Already now we have defined. I have given example. 7-8 topologies defined on a single set. If one is contained in another, then the tau dash, this big one, is called finer than tau, or coarser than tau, or stronger than tau, or bigger than tau. Everyone also. One subset. Suppose this topology is contained in tau dash. This topology, tau dash, is called stronger topology, or finer topology, or coarser topology, or bigger topology. Everyone also. Tau is contained in சின்ன செட் வந்து smaller topology, weaker topology, அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க you can define. It is not a very important definition I can say, but you should know this. Check with the examples. நான் கொடுத்திருக்கிற எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல நீங்க இங்க பாருங்க. tau 4, and yesterday tau 4 is contained in tau 6. Tau 7 is contained in tau 6. Therefore tau 6 is stronger topology, tau 4 is weaker topology. Similarly, tau 6 is stronger topology, tau 7 is weaker topology. Understand? Okay, sir. I will stop here. I will finish this video. Next video I will continue in the video so that I can send you easily. I am going to introduce basis. Okay. Next video immediately I will send you. Okay. Wait for it. Thank you.